In this video, I'll be discussing the next sorting technique, that is the selection sort. So input will be the list of n numbers and output will be the sorted list of numbers. So if we have this list as the input to our selection sort program, then in selection sort, the ith position is compared with rest of the other positions, and this position gets the smallest number. So here 3 5 is compared, 3 is smaller, 3 9, 3 is smaller, 3 0. Now 0 comes here and 3 goes here, so 0 and 3 are swapped. Now here is 0 and here is 3, then 0 1, 0 2, 0 6, 0 7, 0 8 and 0 4. And this is how the smallest number gets stored at the first position. Then in the next iteration I gets increased and I comes to this position, or we are looking for this position's smallest element. Now 5 gets compared with 9, then 5 3, so 3 comes here, 5 is here, 3 1, so 1 comes here, 3 is here, then 1 2, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 4. This is how the next position is this, which gets the smallest number. So in this way, this is the first iteration where the first smallest number is stored over here. This is the second iteration, which will put the second smallest element at the second position, then the third element. So in this way, n iterations will be n iterations will be performed and n minus 1 comparisons will be done, and this is the idea of selection sort. Now the code for selection sort. Now here, if this is the list of elements, then one thing is we are performing n number of iterations. So for those n iterations, the outer for loop is this, and the inner for loop will be for the number of comparisons. So here the inner for loop is for number of comparisons. Now for comparisons, in the first iteration we are starting from the from this position because our I value is this. So this element gets compared with all these positions. In the second iteration, I value is this. So j will be starting from the next position. So in this way, the second for loop, which is for j, that will be starting from the I plus 1th position, and every time we are comparing, if the number in this position is greater than this position, then a swap will be done. And this is the idea of selection sort. I'll stop here.